and today we're going to be making a basic paper airplane. So here's what it's going to look like. So the first thing you're going to want to do is get a piece of paper, and then you're going to fold the paper like a long book. You want the edges to be pretty good aligned with each other. I know that's not too good, but it's all fine. So then you're going to open it up, and you should have a line in the middle, like there. And then after that, you're going to take the top, and you're going to just fold it like a triangle. And you want it to be on the line like that. And then you're just going to do that again. So then it should look like this. And then after that, you're going to fold the same paper airplane. And then you could do it like this, but this is not so good. And you can see that hits the camera. So here is where the importance that comes in. You want to add the wings. So how you add the wings is you take this. You take this. And you're going to just fold it like a rectangle on the line. And then you're just going to get out to the other side and crease. So then this is what it should look like when it's finished. Now, obviously, this is beginner one. I would not, if you're doing like a flight testing class, I would not recommend this, but this is just get you started, and it's not that good of fun. Obviously, if you thought that was way too easy, you can go check out other videos on how to make paper airplanes. So, see ya.